Hello guys, I'm Roosevelt, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to create a stretch text effect in Adobe. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Okay, so to create the stretch text effect in Adobe Photoshop, you first have to select the type tool over here, and then you type out your word. So I'll be going with the word tool. Now, I'll center my text. Press Command T or Control T, and then I'll resize my text. So I think something like this is okay. And then place it in the middle once again. Nice. Then I'll push it up. So to stretch this text over here, I just have to right click over here and then select Convert to Shape. Nice. So now you see that we've converted our text layer into shape. Once we are done, right click over here and then select the direct selection tool. Select the direct selection tool over here. Then left click and hold and then drag over this text to select the bottom part, and then hold down your Shift key whilst pressing the down arrow to stretch the text. So let's stretch our text. I think something like this is okay. Now press Command A or Control A and then center your text. Then when you are done, press Command B or Control B to display. Okay guys, so now you see that we've been able to stretch our text in Adobe Photoshop. If you really enjoyed this video, kindly like, comment and then share with others. Also, in case you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. See you in the next video.